Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get leather in Icarus. Now there are several ways that you can get leather in the game, and that's basically through killing some wild animals like deer and that animal right there right in front of me. Now when you're trying to get some leather, I would recommend getting a bow and arrow first as your main use for hunting gear. Now if you are wondering where you can get the bow and arrow, over in the tech tree, over in tier 1, you can find it over here, the wood bow, and then the stone arrow. Just try to unlock these using your points, and then you'll be able to craft the bow and arrow. Now to craft the arrows, it will just take pieces of stick, fiber, and stone. Okay, let's see if I can. Alright, sweet. Juvenile Tyrannus carcass. This should be able to give me some leather. And as you can see, there is 14 pieces of leather, 2 pieces of bone, and raw meat, and a stone arrow that I used. And you can also extract the bones from this by using your hammer and breaking down the skeleton. See this Tyrannus? Shoot in the head. Here we are. One here. There we go. And once again, you get some leather. And that's about it on how to get leather in Icarus.